We have team coverage as the trial comes to an end. Way 31's Nicole Zedek is live after speaking with an attorney about the speed of the court proceedings. We begin, though, with Way 31's Alex Torres-Perez, who spent today inside the courtroom and has kept a close watch on this trial since it began. Alex?
It's now been 4 hours since the jury started deliberating here at the Madison County Courthouse, and now they're discussing whether or not Officer William Darby had a reasonable reason to use deadly force. Now, before all these deliberations, they actually got to hear from all attorneys one last time. Prosecutors argued that everything was going okay until Darby showed up and escalated the situation. They say Darby didn't ask questions before going into the home and shooting Parker, and all this happening in less than 30 seconds. Prosecutors argue you can't use deadly force if you're the initial aggressor. They say Parker never did anything wrong. Meanwhile, the defense argues Parker already made up his mind. They say Parker was in imminent danger and no one could know what Parker was thinking or about to do. They say even if Darby had waited, it would have been too late for him to react. However, prosecutors argue that just because there is a possibility doesn't mean there's an actual intent or threat. Prosecutors told the jury to ask themselves who made the situation aggressive, and if they say if the answer is someone other than Jeffrey Parker, then it's murder. Now, it's still unclear how long it will take for the jury to come up with a decision, and that decision needs to be unanimous. I'll be here at the Madison County Courthouse bringing you the latest updates both on air and online at waytv.com. Reporting live in Huntsville, Alex Torres-Perez, Way 31 News.
The prosecution and defense in the trial made some powerful statements in closing arguments. For the prosecution, Assistant District Attorney Tim Gann spoke about the victim, Jeffrey Parker, saying, quote, he needed some help, called for help, and got Ben Darby. Ben is William Darby's middle name. Speaking for the defense of Darby, attorney Robert Tutton closed arguments saying his client acted in self-defense when he shot Parker, saying, quote, if officers wait for that gun to move and be pointed at them, scientific evidence shows it's too late.